So to install GameChanger app, you just need to tap Get in the App Store. This app is in the top chart in the sports category for apps, for the sports apps. Okay, let's just try again. As you can see, there are 175k ratings, 4.9 out of 5 average rating. And it says this is the one app every sports team needs: free live video streaming with integrated scoreboard, advanced scorekeeping, live game and season stats, and team management. Stream, score, connect, free live video streaming, scorekeeping, free team management, live radio and game animation. And this app is available for following sports: for baseball, softball, soccer, basketball, lacrosse, football, volleyball, field hockey, ice hockey, water polo, rugby, swimming, diving, track and field, wrestling, crew and rolling, bowling, and all of that. There is also video archive, live video plays, announcers, third-party camera compatibility, live game streams, web portal, pitch count tracking, roster management. All of that is there. So there are a bunch of reviews. The average rating is actually super high. And some people say the app has gotten better over the last year, but still lags behind others that have been around and few ones that are coming out. Some other options would be interesting. You can always reach out Sam at gc.com to contact support and stuff like that. But anyways, while I'm just waiting once this app downloads, so here is the app, and then you can see some videos, multi-sport live video streaming, advanced scorekeeping for baseball, softball, basketball, basic scorekeeping for other sports, game stream, team messaging and communication. So yeah, that's the app. Basically, I think is one of the best apps actually for if you like playing sports and you in the team. So that's one of the apps you should try out. And then let's just choose a password. And there you have it. Now you just created an account. So that's basically how it works. Now you can create your own team. You can just create your own team here, like volleyball team. And then just select the league and all of that. Import classic teams. For Sports Connect, there are events like your team events. There are messages. So that's good that there is messaging, and then there is your account. You can set up all the settings. You can link account. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Then there is some unlock the fan experience. First time subscribers will start with a 7-day free trial. I don't know what that means, but yeah, here are some of the features you can get. Starting from $4.99 to $9.99. You can always reach out to support here. You can always just email them. Yeah, so that's the app. So if you like playing some sports with teams, with spending some time like playing in a local basketball team or something, this can be a cool app just to organize this lifestyle to keep scores. of your plays, analyze your plays, like, even stream them, and yeah, just make your hobby much more advanced and much more detailed and better way of spending time. So that's just the app. Definitely give it a try.